Designing a process layout requires you to essentially decide who goes where in a layout. The principal challenge of doing that is the sheer number of potential layouts that can be created. This problem is demonstrating that. A food court has a row of, 4 locations available for food vendors. The food court must decide which 4 food vendors should be assigned to which locations. So, maybe it looks something like this. Food court in a shopping center in which there are 4 vendors. Who's going to go where? That's the essence of a product layout, or process layout. Process layout. Maybe they're seating here in the center. Now, wait, what more information are we told? Technically, any food vendor could be assigned any one of the 4 locations. Okay, that's fine. The 4 food vendors who wish to rent locations are, and then we have their names: Pops R Us, Taco Madness, Ice Cream Scream, Mega Pretzel. Now, what's the question? The question is, theoretically, how many different possible layouts are there? Oh, all right. First off, how many different departments are there? How many different entities are we trying to locate? This particular problem, well, it's 4, right? They were named. All right. N equals 4. 4 vendors, 4 departments, 4 areas. Who should go where? How do you answer this question, how many different possible layouts are there? We remember a very important relationship. If you have n departments that you're trying to locate, you have n factorial possible layouts. Yeah. Okay, well, our n is 4, right, which means to answer this question here, we have 4 factorial possible layouts. All right, now 4 factorial, 4 with an exclamation point after it. What's that? To calculate factorial, it's 4, the number you started with, times 3 times 2 times 1. You count backwards, multiplying each time. Oh, all right, so 4 factorial is actually 4 times 3 is 12, times 2 is 24, times 1 is 1. Okay, well, that's 24 again. Right, that's actually the answer. 24 possible layouts. Now remember the original size of the problem. There's only 4, Taco Madness, Ice Cream Scream. There's only 4 different things here to locate. There is 24 different possible assignments for them. We just need to pick one.